So the question given here is the distance between the points m comma minus n and minus m comma n is. So the distance is given by d equals to under root of x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. From here x2 is minus m minus plus m minus m to the whole square plus y2 is minus n to the whole square. From here we will get under root of 4m square plus 4n square, that will give 2 under root m square plus n square. So answer will be C, 2 under root m under root of 2 under root m square plus n square. So that's the answer.